Today we'll be looking at the Hercules Recovery Kit from 4-Wheel Drive Super Center. Links in the description. There are 11 items in the recovery kit. It comes in a canvas bag, comes with some gloves, snatch strap, tree trunk protector, winch extension strap, a dampener bag, a snatch block, a collapsible spade, a tire deflator, and 2 bow shackles. A snatch block is basically a pulley. If you're unsure on how a snatch block works, there are plenty of videos on YouTube to have a look at. But it splits, which makes it so much easier to attach to your cable or your synthetic rope. This neon green tree trunk protector has a minimum braking strength of 10,000 kilograms. It's 3 meters long and has been used once so far. The 2 of these bow shackles have a working load limit of 4.7 tons. There is a video on YouTube, I'll put it in the description, of what they can actually take. Before using a tire deflator, know what PSI your vehicle has to run on sand and other outdoor 4-wheel driving. Just a little tip, put the caps in your pocket or give them to someone to hold so you don't lose them. It stops dirt, mud and all sorts of other crap getting into your valve stems. What I'm doing here is screwing it onto your valve stem. Pushing the valve stem core remover in to remove the core, as the air you can hear coming out. To remove the air from the tire, move this. It's as simple as that. Once you're done, screw the valve core back in and remove the tire deflator. But also remember to re-inflate your tires once you're done 4-wheel driving, as it is not good for your tires on tar roads. Don't forget to put your valve caps back on. This little collapsible spade is better than having no shovel or spade at all. It's got 3 positions: closed, open, and 90 degrees at the shovel's head. You turn this part to tighten up the spade so you can lock in the position you wish. By the feel and the looks of these gloves, there's an added protection part or wear part for when you grab onto a synthetic rope or cable, so you do not slice nor cut your hands. This winch dampener is your first line of defense to a cable breaking and hurting someone seriously. It's got Velcro on it so that it holds nicely between the cable. It's got this pocket so you can put a weight or sand or dirt or anything rather heavy to stop your cable from flying at you or someone else. This snatch strap that I have has a minimum braking strength of 8 ton or 8,000 kilo. It's got a stretch factor of 20%. Its length is 9 meters long. This winch extension strap has got a minimum braking strength of 5 ton or 5,000 kilos. It's 10 meters long. It is very handy when you do not have a tree or any way to tie your winch cable to. It just extends it that littlest bit longer to get you out of difficult situations. Now that's everything from the Hercules Recovery Kit from 4-Wheel Driving Supercenter. What I have added to the Hercules Recovery Kit: a recovery hitch, 2 extra bow shackles, and a homemade soft shackle made from 24 strands of 550 paracord, which should roughly hold 6 ton. Something to remember: don't tighten up bow shackles too tight, as it will be nearly impossible to take off by hand unless you have a shifter handy. Take it back half a turn and you should be right. This is my homemade soft shackle. It might not look like much, but it's still a hell of a lot safer than putting a bow shackle between 2 snatch straps. I'll put a video link in about bow shackles and soft shackles from a channel called Seek Adventure.